everyone, how are you? Hope you all guys are fine and going well. So today we are going to draw Donald Duck from Disneyland, and I will try to share the easiest way to draw and tell everything step by step. So here I am going to draw it roughly first, so it's easy for you and also me to understand. So here you can see I have drawn it roughly, and here is it. So firstly, I am going to explain everything that I draw, so it's easy for you to understand and also easy to draw. So here you can see I have drawn the face, the peak, the body, the hands, and the popcorns. Also the legs, you can see. By the way, I am going to outline it, and then I am also going to tell step by step. So I am done with the explanation, and let's begin to outlining. I hope you understand. By the way, still I'm going to tell everything step by step while outlining, and let's begin to outlining. Okay, now you need to be really focused. Now here you can see I have started outlining, and now here I'm outlining the cap, and I'm really focused because I usually make mistakes in outlining, so you have to do everything step by step. So here you can see I'm drawing the eye, and comment your favorite Disneyland character. As you can see, I'm done with the arm, and now I'm going to outline the body, then soon the legs. By the way, here's a little request from you guys that please watch my video till end because it helps a lot. I want to tell a little thing to you guys. As you can see in the left corner, in the left top corner, there's written stay positive. You know what it means. So I want to say just stay positive, work hard, and never be negative. I hope you guys understand. So here I'm almost done with my drawing. As you can see, I'm just drawing the floating popcorns, and here is it. By the way, I have outlined it once again, so it's a little bit more dark. Now let's color it. As you know, the shirt is dark blue, so I'm coloring with dark blue color, and so focused. By the way, I have started coloring the cap, and blue color is almost done and almost finished. Now here is yellow. So let's add yellow in foot and the other foot too, and also the peak. By the way, comment me your favorite color. And I have mixed the orange and yellow color in foot and also the peak. Okay, I'm coloring the peak. Now the popcorns. Now I'm coloring the bowl and also the bucket of that popcorns. I'm done with the popcorn one, and I'm now coloring the inner side of his mouth, and you can see I am done. Here I have did a little bit of shading under the foot, but I don't know why it's not clearly visible in the camera, but I hope you like it, and take care of yourself, everyone. Thanks for watching if you're still here. So if you haven't subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. And here are my signs, and I hope you really love it. And if you really love it, then what are you waiting for? Hit the like button now. Take care. Bye everyone.